Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Apple AirPort Express replacement options for AirPlay. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To configure Apple AirPort Express replacement options for AirPlay, begin by ensuring your replacement device is plugged in and powered on. Connect the device to your Wi-Fi network by either using the app provided or accessing the settings directly through your. Open the settings menu on your iOS device or Mac. Locate the Wi-Fi settings and select your replacement device from the list of available networks. Once connected, open the relevant app that allows for AirPlay configuration. Choose the option to set up AirPlay or select audio output settings. Select your preferred speakers or audio devices that you wish to stream to. Make sure the volume is adequately set for your chosen output device. To ensure your device works seamlessly, test the connection by playing audio from a streaming app. If the audio is not streaming properly, double-check the network connection and settings for any discrepancies. Consider updating the firmware of your replacement device through. After confirming everything is set, you can now enjoy AirPlay streaming from your device. Explore additional features within the app to customize your audio experience further. Experiment with multiple output options if you have more than one device connected for a multi-room audio experience. Remember to adjust the volume on both the replacement device and the source device for balanced sound. Finally, you can seamlessly switch between different AirPlay-enabled devices as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.